In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an image into a Google Sheet. By the end, you'll be able to duplicate an image that's already in your spreadsheet and place it exactly where you want it, quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Google Sheet and making sure the image you want to copy is visible on the screen. If your sheet is busy, zoom in a bit so the image is easy to see. In Google Sheets, images are typically placed over the grid as an object, not inside a single cell, so we'll be working with that kind of image here. Next, click the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small blue handles around it. If you click and only see the cell highlight move, try again, and make sure you're clicking directly on the image itself, not the cell beneath it. This distinction matters because we want to copy the image object, not the cell content. With the image selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. If you're on a Mac, Command+C does the same thing. You can also use the Edit menu and choose Copy, but the keyboard shortcut is faster and helps avoid accidentally deselecting the image. After copying, nothing dramatic changes on screen, and that's normal. The image is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. Now click the cell where you want to put the image. This click sets the anchor location for the pasted image. Even though the image will sit over the grid, Sheets uses the selected cell to decide where to place it initially. If you're moving it to a different area or even a different sheet within the same file, just navigate there first and then click the destination cell so it's clearly selected. Finally, press Ctrl+V to paste the image. On a Mac, use Command+V. The image will appear over the grid, typically aligned near the cell you chose. From here, you can drag the image to fine-tune its position or use the corner handles to resize it while keeping the proportions. If nothing appears, double-check that you had the image selected before copying, and try again. Also, ensure your browser allows clipboard access if you're prompted. That's all there is to it. Open your spreadsheet, select the image, copy with Ctrl+C, click the target cell, and paste with Ctrl+V. It's a simple workflow that keeps your layouts consistent and saves time when you're reusing logos, icons, or any visual reference across your sheets.